Good morning, everyone. We are from Orbitwave Systems, the proud creators of Extros, a trusted brand in digital interactive solutions. Today, I'm excited to introduce a game changing innovation designed to revolutionize workplace safety, the Extros Safety Training Kiosk. In industries like manufacturing, construction, and logistics, employee safety is paramount. However, ensuring that all employees are thoroughly trained on safety norms, regularly tested, and consistently monitored can be a daunting challenge. That's where our safety training kiosk comes in. Interactive testing features: after completing the training, employees can take tests directly on the kiosk. These tests ensure they have absorbed the material and are ready to apply safety practices on the job. Real-time performance tracking: on the back end, administrators can monitor individual employee performance. Detailed reports and analytics highlight test scores, completion rates, and areas for improvement, making it easy to measure the effectiveness of your safety program. Customizable and scalable, the kiosk supports multilingual content and can be tailored to match your organization's specific safety protocols. Whether your team is small or large, our solution scales effortlessly to meet your needs. Customizable and scalable, the kiosk supports multilingual content and can be tailored to match your organization's specific safety protocols. Whether your team is small or large, our solution scales effortlessly to meet your needs. Now, why should you consider the Extros Safety Training Kiosk for your organization? 1. Enhanced employee engagement. The kiosk makes training interactive and accessible, improving retention and encouraging participation. Employees will find the process easy and engaging, which is key to driving compliance. 2. Increased workplace safety. By ensuring that employees are educated and tested on safety practices, you reduce the risk of accidents and injuries on the job, protecting both your workforce and your business reputation. 3. Streamlined administration. Managing safety training becomes effortless with automated performance tracking and analytics. Administrators save time, and you gain the ability to make data-driven improvements to your safety programs. 4. Cost efficiency. Traditional training methods, such as workshops and paper-based assessments, are time-consuming and costly. Our kiosk simplifies the process, saving you time and money while delivering consistent results. 5. Compliance assurance. Industries are governed by strict safety regulations, and the Extros kiosk ensures your workforce is always up to date and compliant, mitigating risks of non-compliance penalties. Let me share a real-world scenario. One of our clients in the manufacturing industry faced challenges in consistently training their rotating workforce. After implementing the Extros Safety Training Kiosk, they achieved a 40% reduction in workplace incidents within 6 months. Furthermore, the automated reporting saved them countless hours of administrative work, allowing them to focus on proactive safety measures. This is just one example of how our kiosk is transforming workplace safety. In conclusion, the Extros Safety Training Kiosk is more than a product. It's a step forward in building a culture of safety, accountability, and efficiency. By choosing Extros, you're not just investing in technology, you're investing in the well-being of your employees and the future of your organization. Let us partner with you to make your workplace safer and smarter. Thank you for your time, and I'd be happy to answer any questions or discuss how this kiosk can meet your specific needs.